Welcome to Sports Soccer 345. Jamaican sprint legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will begin marketing her new haircare line in the United States in February. Fraser Pryce launches the new product named AFIMI last July, just when the Paris Olympic was starting, and is now set to start promoting it with the first stop in New York from February. The 10-time world champion is preparing for life after track and field and has decided to venture into beauty products as it is one of her passions, with her products range being from vibrant tribute to her Jamaican roots and a testament to her belief in self-expression through hair. The press tour will help familiarize the hair care line with its would-be customers in the United States before a grand opening of the natural resources that defines the region. And this is what she said, and I quote, "Hair care is your most powerful form of self-expression and has been an exciting tone for many fearless victories. That's why it's so important that it gets the care it needs." End of quote. And their 10-time world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is launching out a new business, which is hair care, that she said symbolizes who she is and what she uses to elevate and motivate herself when running on the track. We are wishing Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce every success in the world. We know that she has started the Mommy Rocket Foundation, that she has been helping a lot of kids in Jamaica. And Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is thinking about life after track and field, in which we have to, because Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, I think this is the last year she has left in competitive track and field, 2025. However, she might go longer, we don't know. But she's preparing herself to exit the stage. We will miss her. We surely missed her at the 2024 Paris Olympics. She was injured. But Shelly-Ann Fraser knows that her time is drawing to an end, and her product AFIMI, her ear care, I hope that this will take off and she will be successful, and who knows, she will even start contributing to track and field big time in Jamaica. It is good to hear though that she is becoming an entrepreneur and looking to climb the ladder of being a businesswoman. Continue to tune to Sports Circle 345, and please touch the like button and the subscribe button before you leave. This will help the algorithm push the video to more persons. And thank you very much for continuing to stick with the channel Sports Circle 345. Walk good, my friend. God bless.